Okay, everybody, get your Breville Smart Air preheated to 450 degrees, set to air fry, because we are making bean battered mushrooms for the Super Bowl or movie night or whenever we feel like it on a protective diet. I have my Healthy Valley ready, Healthy Valley Ranch ready for dipping. And my batter is in my biggest mixing bowl, and I'm giving it a whisk with my balloon whisk. And then I'm setting this guy aside. Oh, my air fryer basket is lined with parchment. I'm using a 24-ounce box of mushrooms, so I usually leave a few in the box for my beauty broth hot pot later, so that I'm sure to have enough batter to cover all of these big mushrooms. These are really big. You could use smaller, like baby bellas or smaller button mushrooms. Now the next step is to give this a really good stir to coat all of these mushrooms in this beautiful bean batter. The reason I'm using my biggest mixing bowl, so that they get this beautiful coating of all of this protective spermidine in these mushrooms. Oh my gosh, we're doing all of these things to stop the hands of time and prevent aging on a protective diet. And eating mushrooms is one of them. If you don't like mushrooms, there's plenty other protective vegetables that do the same, listed on the bottom of this recipe. Read all about spermidine and read all about resistant starch. These are covered in resistant starch so that this fiber travels its way down into the basement of our bodies to feed our protective microbes. All right, these are good and ready, and they are going onto my lined basket or lined baking sheet. Spread them out into my air fryer. While those bake for 20 minutes, I'm going to set up a finger salad or a crudité to go along with the dipping of the mushrooms into the Healthy Valley Ranch. You could use the horsey sauce. You could use whatever your favorite protective diet dip is. How about French onion dip? That's a favorite. And this will get everyone snacking healthy during the big game. Makes veggies way more appealing when they're served up like this rather than a big, sometimes overwhelming salad if you're just getting started on a whole food plant-based diet. And with the cucumbers, if you have one of these gadgets, I had this in my drawer for years and I didn't know what it did, and it just takes out a little bit of the cucumber like that. And then I can make these little cucumber flowers for my platter. That'll get people eating more veg during the game or on movie night. Jerry and I like to share this when we're watching a movie. We like these finger food dinners on a big platter. 25 minutes and these are done. You can see they are golden brown and the bottoms are dry. That's the goal. The larger mushrooms might take the full 25. The smaller mushrooms have less water in them. They might take the 20. So check them in 20. Hot out of the air fryer. And onto my platter. You can see how leaving the stems in them, it makes them so that they're almost like you're picking up wings or something like that. Makes it a little more finger friendly. Go Chiefs!
Go Chiefs!
So I am adding, because it's Jerry and I eating these tonight, my fermented hot sauce, the probiotic pepper sauce, to our Healthy Valley Ranch. That's right. Spice it up. It's like Buffalo Ranch, bean battered mushrooms. Oh yeah, that's what we're having on a protective diet. Take care.
And best of health.